KXAN investigators have been digging into newly released state data on how the coronavirus has spread inside nursing homes and assisted living facilities. Families and even some lawmakers were hoping for more transparency. But as investigator Avery Travis shows us, the data doesn't always add up.
You're literally kind of banging on the doors trying to get information.
That's how it feels for Christy Schultz after she says her mom was moved to a different room with no window at Windsor Nursing and Rehabilitation Center of Duval in Austin.
For my family, unfortunately, we're just in a waiting game.
20 cases, 55 cases. She was hearing different reports from staffers and even the state's long-term care ombudsman office. As of July 12th, federal reporting data shows just one resident there testing positive. Texas data shows none.
You're not even sure at that point if it's accurate anymore. Maybe it's outdated.
A KXAN analysis shows state data has over 2,000 more nursing home residents testing positive in Texas than federal data from the same week. State data also shows over 200 more deaths than the federal numbers for Texas. Texas Health and Human Services says facilities self-report the state data, so there are sometimes errors. They say their staff works to correct any mistakes before it's reported, which is why there's some lag time.
Facilities literally have to report to umpteen different entities.
So the president of Leading Age Texas, a senior living advocacy group, says there are bound to be discrepancies.
So making these lists public, it sort of speaks to vilification of nursing facilities, that nursing homes are somehow to blame.
They argue the data should be used to target resources to specific homes, resources they're still lacking.
This is really just such a white-hot spotlight on all the changes that need to happen.
Avery Travis, KXAN Investigates.
And Regency Integrated Health Services operates Schultz's mom's home. Their spokesperson said they've confirmed additional cases at Windsor since the last round of data was due, but couldn't confirm how many to KXAN investigators. They said they hold weekly calls for the family to keep them updated. Schultz said she feels that wasn't made clear to everyone.